taking a trip. We're going to the falls, so we going that way. Not the gorge trail or the old maze. We ain't about to be walking too far for nothing. You come in, get your parking space right there. They got bathrooms. Let's go see what's here. Get the walk in. I don't know. Yep, still walking through the woods. 3 miles to school. Even got the kids out here walking. You just can't come through here with no wheelchair. If you're on a wheelchair, you ain't coming. Well, it's a nice little walk. Oh, look at that. I'll get it closer when I get down there. Boy, you in there, you did. Finally down here by the falls. Come up here. We're at the Power Water. And you can see the Power Water right there. It's a nice little walk from up there. So you gonna get a little exercise. We almost there though. Just keep it moving. Hey, I don't know if y'all can tell, but this water is strong as hell, man. Look at this. Ooh-wee. Yeah. When you get down here, it's the road back. Now I gotta walk all the way back up here and all around. And the wife is leaving me. I gotta hurry up. See y'all later. Came all the way from down there. Still got so far to go. All the way up them steps, all the way up them steps. It's a mission. It's back. We up to like the lake flat stuff part. Far way down there. We done made it. So we almost up. Well, we ain't back yet, but we almost there. Good exercise for the day. Oh yeah, Cuyahoga Falls. The trail up there, got all the big rocks and stuff. But yeah, nah, so we ain't walking all the way up there. It's time to go. Walking on this trail, Cuyahoga Falls. I was thirsty as hell, man. Walking with my wife. Some crazy ass old lady was like, "You suck my titties, I'll give you some water. I'm thirsty as hell." I'm like, "You crazy? I'm here. I'm with my wife. I ain't about to suck your titties, old lady." But she came from like over that way though, like that way. She was like, "Yeah, I'll give you some alkaline water." I'm like, "Hell nah," because I kind of wanted to go up there and go see them bricks up there. But she was like, "Yeah, I'll give you some alkaline water. You suck these old titties." I'm like, "Hell nah, they probably got powdered milk in them." So I ain't do it. So yeah, crazy as hell. But yeah, we gotta go back that way to get back. Yeah. Good. Well, good people. We finally almost back. It's a nice exercise. If you want some exercise, go sightseeing for shit that's in the woods. That's all I'm gonna tell you.
But in the daytime,
Oh yeah, don't be,
it might be.
You see this? If they, nah, I ain't gonna even say nothing. Yeah, stay your black ass out in the daytime. That's all I'm gonna say. If you look like me, you better come in the daytime. For a bear better bitch your ass and put you on that grill. Yeah, but it's nice exercise. Oh, hold on. Let me see if I can show y'all there. We don't do. I don't know if y'all can see them, but there's some people. It's a hole up my finger at. Way up there. It's a whole cave up there. Nah, they ain't going in there.
But there's some people in there right now.
Yeah, some people up in that cave though. They walked all up in there. Motherfucker, yeah, right, mountain lion, motherfucker, a snake in. Boy, people be doing crazy shit. Not us.
Right now.
Yeah, they can stay. They still in that cave. Look, we out of here.
Yeah,
Time to go. You can walk the dog here too if you want to. Never find none of us missing. We go hiking and we missing. We somewhere behind the tree shitting. If we go hiking and we missing, we somewhere behind the tree shitting. We ain't in no goddamn cave. My wife was just talking to those guys right there, like, yeah, it's a hole up there. Somebody just went in it. Now, all the black people, if we told you there's a hole up there, somebody went up there, what y'all gonna say? Oh, okay, that's fine. They stupid. They say, we want to go see. We different.
Yeah, they going to see what's
They going to go check out the hole.
It might be bats or
Man.
That's crazy.
Long way. Oh, my God. Nice trip. That's all I'm going to say. We finally back up to civilization. We made it. Good exercise for the day. And you can't even take no bikes this way, so you gotta walk it. Woo-wee. Pick your course. Depends on how many steps you want to take. Yeah, there you go. That's how it used to look. That's how it look. That's what they trying to get it popping. For y'all people that want to bring a damn dog, I don't know why y'all just leave a damn dog at home, tied up to a tree in the yard or some shit. If you want to go see, that's where all the stuff at right there. It's all that stuff you gonna see. Well, look how much walking that is. You been walking around here for 3 days trying to go see all this stuff. Look at all that stuff. That's how long it is. You go see all that stuff. Ooh, that's a lot of walking. We're not doing all that. Not today. Yeah. No. But yeah, that's it though. Nice stuff you want to exercise though, man. Yep. Well, maybe next time we try something else, but for right now, we are out of here. Back to the truck, home it is.